Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below will be links to all the blog posts or videos in case you want to know more about each creation. Let me get these out of the way and we will get started with this week's creations. I am not showing everything that I made this week because several things were for my stash series, and so I'm going to share them all in one video. If you are curious, you can always hop on over to my blog and see what they are. I will give you a hint that my new shop, My Stash, is all about cute piggies, and I'm having a lot of fun with it so far. Before I get into Saturday Showcase, I did want to make a little plea. You may remember this card from last week, I think it was. Well, it has been chosen to go into the Creative Scrapbooker Card of the Month contest. And so in the description box below, I will leave a link. And if you are so inclined, I would really appreciate if you would go over and vote for my card. I've been nominated several times for it, and I always feel like it's such an honor. And I've never made it past the first round, which that's all good too. This time there's some amazing cards in there. Several of my online crafty friends have cards there this month, so it's a really neat gallery to vote on. So why not hop on over, take a look, and if you like my card, give me a vote. Thanks so much. All right, on to Saturday Showcase. Have this fun card for last Saturday's Craft and Kimmy Saturday challenge of Back to Nature. I used this cute possum from the Awesome Possum stamp set with Hang in There. I believe this is some old basic gray paper. I thought it was just a unique color palette for me. And then there's the inside. Have him hanging on there, so hang in there. And then I was on Call Me Crafty Al's Oh So Inspired. We had this cute B card in blacks and whites and yellows, and we were like, yes. And then our Savatage was red and purple, and we were both like, oh my goodness. But in the end, it is the first Savatage I have loved. I absolutely love my card. I think that it turned out so pretty. And the red and purple, whenever I think of that, I think of the Red Hat Society, but it really works. And now I think I want to color all the bees and butterflies and dragonflies all purple and red. I might have to do that sometime. So I will get this in the mail soon to the winner of my card from that. Then it's September, so there's a new stamp of the month at Craft and Kimmy Stamps. If you spend $75 before taxes and shipping, and while supplies last, this little elf-made stamp set can be yours for free. The cutest little elves and making spirits bright. When I posted this on Instagram, I had a comment that they really liked the layout. I have to say the layout is one of an accident, because when I was die cutting this circle with the sentiment, I turned to look at Alyssa, my cat, and the die moved. So it was off center, and I was too lazy to re-stamp it. So I'm like, we'll see what we can do. And in the end, I really like how it turned out. And you can see I'm still loving those wonky stitched dies that I got from Gina Marie Designs. I didn't share this card on social media, but I was asked to be a guest designer for Split Coast Stampers for their fan club Christmas challenge. I can't tell you what the challenge was because that's for fan club members only. You can hop on over there and join the fan club. It's really kind of a fun deal. And I used some retired Craft and Kimmy reindeer stamps for that. Friends Make the Holidays Special. The die is from CC Designs. And there's the inside. So I thought that turned out cute, and I was honored to be a guest designer. And then yesterday, it was Show Us Your Sheet Load Day for the collaborators, and I still just absolutely love the way that my cards turned out with that sparkle kit from the Greeting Farm. I love this sheet load. I have a zillion ideas in my brain to make more, but we'll see if that actually happens. And I just, yeah. had the best time with this sheet load. Like, I think this was one of my most favorite sheet loads that I took time to create, to just sit and color and to think about it, to use some of that basic gray paper from my stash. Absolutely positively love it. Not sure. I think I have a small swap group now. I think I might send some of these out to some of those members, but I don't know because I don't have enough of them. So I guess that means I have to make more, huh? So the video and the blog post for these are down below as well. And so those are all my creations that I'm going to show you for the week. Like I said, I did do some more, but I'm going to save those and show those in a separate video for Shop My Stash. It might be a couple weeks because I found out I have a lot of pig stamps, which I didn't know. I guess I really like pigs more than I thought. And I am just having fun with it, and I want to work my way through it. So it might be a while before I show all of those in one video. You can always see them on my blog post, and I share most of them on social media, but I'm also finding that I'm getting kind of burned out on sharing everything everywhere. I miss the days of just putting up a blog post and calling it done, because I enjoy the process of creating. Getting really burned out on the social media. Of course, I will share all of my design team cards everywhere because I want to promote those teams. But the best place is always on my blog, or Saturday Showcase videos will always show all my creations. So there might be one like this one snuck in that wasn't really shared anywhere except my blog. So you never know what's up. I think it's been almost a year since I quit my job. I quit it in October. And I think this year has been a fun year of just kind of finding myself, finding what I like to do in regards to crafting. And I think we all know the answer. I love to sit and color, but I also just love seeing cards come to life. I love sending them out to hear that people enjoy them, that it made them smile. And so I think I'm going to focus on those things, just coloring and creating. Of course, I'll try new techniques because I think as crafters, we need that to keep our spark flowing. But it's been an interesting journey, and one that I'm so thankful that I was able to do and that I get to continue to do. I love that I have the support of my family and my friends to just be myself and create to my heart's content. And I am rambling. I guess I'm in a rambling mood. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you taking time. I know that this world is so busy now, and for you to spend a few minutes with me each week or each video is amazing to me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have a great day, and until my next video, go get crafty.